Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating an account and building a focused profile. Pick your native language and the language you want to learn. Once done, add a clear photo and a concise bio that mentions goals. This attracts helpful partners. Make sure to set privacy and notification preferences so you aren't overwhelmed. Also enable basic filters like proximity and interests. They help match relevant speakers fast. That gets you visible and discoverable, which is why these first steps matter for productive exchanges. You now find partners and start practicing. Use search filters to target native speakers and compatible interests, then send a friendly, specific opener. Once someone responds, propose a format, text correction, voice message, or a short call, so expectations are clear. Make frequent use of Hellotalk's built-in tools like moments for public practice, the correction feature to exchange edits, and the translation/transcription buttons to clarify meaning. These features speed learning and reduce friction, so leverage them consistently. You finish by turning casual chats into a routine. Schedule sessions, set micro goals, and review corrections each week to track progress. Once ready for structure, upgrade to paid tutoring or premium features to accelerate improvement. If interactions go off track, act decisively. Block or report abusive users, reset match filters to adjust results, and contact support with screenshots if needed. Keeping records and a regular schedule prevents setbacks and ensures steady improvement, which is why these final steps are essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.